Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Akif Nawaz and welcome to Tutors Time. As we have started figures of speech, so figures of speech are basically used in order to beautify the language and in order to grab the attention of the readers. Okay, so now today our topic is pun. So you would have heard this term before, but let's try to explain and understand it in a very easy and simple way. So pun is basically, it is also called as a word play when we are playing with the words. So who use puns more when it comes to comedy? So comic characters, you would have heard stand-up comedians and comic movies in which puns are very much used. So basically in double meaning sentences, a sentence that conveys or that has a double meaning, and it also creates causes a kind of ambiguity as well. So ambiguity is something that is not easily understandable or which have more than one meaning. Okay, now in order to decode this pun, in order to understand the meaning of the word, the meaning of a word in a context, we have two different contexts. The first one is physical context. The second one is linguistic context. So these are the two ways through which we decode the exact meaning of the word, and we'll try to understand not only pun but also physical context and linguistic context. Now I have written this example that I have visited a bank. Now, this bank can either be a financial bank, a financial institution from where we get money, or it can be a place where people used to visit, and it can be like a beach or a river bank. Okay, so now here this sentence, this word is completely ambiguous because it conveys more than one meaning in a sentence. Now let's talk about a physical context. Now for example, if the term bank is written somewhere in the middle of a market on a building, so we can say that yes, we can only expect a financial bank somewhere in the middle of the market. Or if, for example, if the term bank is written somewhere near sea or river, so we can say that yeah, we're talking about a river bank or somewhere near the beach. Okay, so I think you would have understood the term physical context means we understand the meaning of a word from where it is used, from like physically where it is used, either somewhere in the middle of the market or somewhere near sea or river. Okay, so our second thing is linguistic context. Now linguistic context means the context from a language. Now for example, if I say that I have visited a financial bank. Now, here it is quite clear from the sentence that I am talking about a financial bank, and this is how we overcome or we understand ambiguous sentences and which we call as pun. So अगर मैं सिंपली इसको उर्दू में डिफाइन करूँ, सो पन एक ऐसा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है जिसमें हम अल्फाज के साथ खेलते हैं, और यूजुअली आपने कॉमिक जो राइटर्स है या कॉमेडी जो शोज है वो ज़्यादातर पन्स को क्या करते हैं, यूज़ करते हैं, और वो इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं ताकि ताकि रीडर्स और जो ऑडियंस है उनके माइंड में एम्बिग्विटी क्रिएट हो और डबल मीनिंग से लोग लुत्फानंदोज़ भी हो सके। और इसके साथ साथ इनको हम डिकोड करने के लिए दो कॉन्टेक्स्ट को यूज़ करते हैं, एक फिजिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट, दूसरा लिंग्विस्टिक कॉन्टेक्स्ट। लिंग्विस्टिक कॉन्टेक्स्ट तो बहुत ही ईजी अंडरस्टैंड करना कि अगर लैंग्वेज में हमें कोई ऐसे इंडिकेशंस दिए जाए, जिस तरह मैंने कहा कि आई हैव विजिट अ फाइनेंशियल बैंक, सो दिस फाइनेंशियल बैंक is giving us an indication that I am talking about a place where we exchange money, where we get money from. Now if you talk about physical context, तो physical context ये होता है कि जब एक word को हम एक ऐसी जगह पे यूज़ करें जो कि हमें clear indication दे। Now जिस तरह for example अगर मैं किसी बाज़ार में जा रहा हूँ और उधर किसी बिल्डिंग के ऊपर लिखा हो कि बैंक, so डेफिनेटली मैं मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि इट इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट अ फाइनेंशियल बैंक। या अब अगर मैं किसी दरिया या रिवर के किनारे पर हूँ और उधर यहाँ पर लिखा हो कि बैंक और कोई एरो का निशान उधर डाला गया हो, तो डेफिनेटली उस लोकेशन से, उस जगह से मुझे आइडिया मिल जाएगा कि द पर्सन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अ रिवर बैंक समवेयर दैट इज नियरर टू सी. So I hope कि आपको ये समझ में आ गई होगी. And if you still have anything to ask, you have any kind of query, just put your question in the comment box and I will answer it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.